have to keep in mind these officers were called there to do a welfare check.
A man suspected of firing shots at deputies from a home with children inside faces a White County judge today. Good evening, I'm Gina Quattrochi. Jeff Smith has the night off. 2 weeks after a standoff at a White County home, the suspect faces a judge for the first time. News Channel 18's Krista Majorano joins us from Monticello with tonight's top story.
Just 2 weeks ago, this quiet neighborhood was the scene of an hours-long standoff where police say 32-year-old Christian Condo fired shots outside his window at 2 deputies while 4 children were inside the home. Condo now faces 6 felony charges, including 2 counts of attempted murder. He faced a judge for the first time today for the March 13th crime. 32-year-old Christian Condo remained silent as he entered the White County Courthouse Tuesday morning. Mr. Condo, is there anything you'd like to say? But once inside, he told Superior Judge Robert Merzlak he didn't know he was scheduled for initial hearing until that morning. He said his attorney, who wasn't present for the hearing, may not have been informed either. Condo faces 6 felony charges for allegedly firing shots out of his window at 2 deputies in the early morning hours of March 13th, when his 3 children and 1 stepdaughter were inside the home. His 2 attempted murder charges carry possible prison time of up to 50 years. Do you think the charges are warranted?
Under the circumstances that exist that morning, yes, I do.
Okay. Attempted murder?
Yes.
White County Sheriff Pat Schaefer says a situation where shots are fired at police is always dangerous, but he commended the deputies on scene for how they handled it.
I credit them when they were receiving gunfire, instead of returning gunfire into the residence, not being familiar with the location of the 4 children inside the house, they chose to retreat, take cover, and set up a perimeter until additional assistance arrived on scene.
Neighbors we spoke with here on East Fairway Court described Condo as a family man, often seen walking down the street with his kids. One woman described him as a helpful neighbor. Another man said he was a nice guy. Most people we talked to said they couldn't imagine something so violent happening here on their street. Court documents say Condo and his wife are in the process of getting a divorce, and she asked that police check on him and the children after he sent her a series of suicidal text messages. His next court date is set for May 23rd, with a jury trial scheduled for July 17th. Reporting in Monticello, Krista Majorano, News Channel 18.